Pow! The lovely wife snagged me a pair of Gen 3 Apple Airpods as an early Christmas gift. Thanks, wife. And I gotta be honest with you, I am having the time of my life with them. Well, we all know that Apple Airpods are good for listening to music, and they're honestly some of the most loved when it comes to listening to podcasts all day at work. But what if I told you these were some god-tier gaming earbuds? Even Apple has no idea the power behind these. But thankfully, I'm here to clue you in. Okay, I know what you're thinking. This guy is an absolute idiot. And you would be correct right there. However, as we're moving into 2022, cloud gaming is taking some massive steps forward. Whether you're at the airport, waiting at the DMV, or you're at some awkward family function, you now have the power of Xbox at your fingertips. I do want to preface, I promise that this is not an ad for Game Pass or an ad for Xbox. Even though it's gonna sound like it, I promise you it's not. So obviously, if you're playing games on your phone, you're gonna need some way to hear the audio. Unless you're a monster and you're just listening to it over your phone speakers. So why would you need Apple AirPods specifically to make this work? I mean, literally any Bluetooth headset or Bluetooth earbuds will work. Ooh, sorry. Had to get a drink. Let's take, for instance, the Xbox. When you pair certain wireless headsets to your Xbox, it uses direct connect pairing, so there's virtually zero latency. And that comes without the need of any type of dongle or anything like that. And thanks to the H1 chip in Apple AirPods, you basically get the exact same type of connection to your phone. Where if you're just using a standard Bluetooth headset or Bluetooth earbuds, you will have noticeable latency. And a low latency connection is crucial, especially if you're playing something competitive like Halo Infinite or just something more cinematic. Nothing will take you out of an experience faster than having a horrible audio delay. Now, though the Gen 2 does use the same chip as the Gen 3, I genuinely believe there's still a reason to pay that extra bit of dollar for the Gen 3s. And as you may have guessed it, it's audio performance. Let's go ahead and bring up our handy dandy frequency response charts. By the way, I do have a video on my Patreon at the $1 tier explaining what the frequency response chart means. Now I want to show you the charts for the Gen 2 and the Gen 3 side by side so you can actually see the differences between the two. And the first thing you'll notice is that drop off in sub bass on the Gen 3s. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, when it comes to music performance, in my opinion, I think the Gen 2s do sound a lot better than the Gen 3s. However, this is what I found kind of interesting. When actually wearing the Gen 3s, I found that the bass was quite a bit heavier with these. So for music, that really wasn't a good thing. I honestly didn't prefer that sound from music. I don't hate it, but it's not the best. But for gaming, oh baby, for gaming, oh my god, I love it. I absolutely love it. So I use a lot of gaming headsets, and I test a lot of gaming headsets, and I would say the sound of these really feels like wearing the HyperX Cloud 2s and just chilling out and vibing. Whereas the Gen 2s really just felt kind of hollow in gaming, these leave you feeling immersed and fully connected. So say you're playing the Halo Infinite campaign. The guns and explosions sound and feel so freaking good wearing these. And even just playing something like Stardew Valley, they still sound just right. Well done, Apple. You accidentally made my most favorite gaming earbuds yet. Obviously, $170 is not a cheap amount to spend on a set of earbuds that can only work on one device. But considering these have so many uses on your phone, can be used in many other applications, can be paired and used for cloud gaming on your Mac, and just in general how much I've been using Xbox Cloud Gaming on my phone, I think this purchase can easily be justified. If you're interested in getting a pair of Gen 2 or Gen 3 AirPods, I'll have affiliate links down below. But until next time, take care.